Alright, this is probably going to be the quickest video ever. I'm going to do this fast while the guys are mowing along. This is a Husqvarna string trimmer. Husqvarna. It has a blue button head on it, but we like the speed feed head because it's quick to change the string on. So there is an adapter piece that we need to use. Okay, well, off camera while these guys were going past me mowing, I took the string off the head just so you can see what's going on. This is the adapter piece. One side is for Stihl, one side is for Husqvarna. Ask your dealer. That's what's required to mount a speed feed head to a Husqvarna string trimmer. It's simple. It's reverse thread head, which means tighten it to loosen. Take the little tool. Husqvarna's have a hole right here. You stick your tool in, turn your head until it locks in place. Turn like hell to the tighten side, and the head comes right off. Don't lose this. Turn this over so you can see what's going on. Put this back in place. Husqvarna side, the small side, Stihl is the big side. So put the small side on here. That's the center of everything. Speed feed on. It's a reverse thread. Don't forget that. Thread it all together. I don't know if you can see this or not. Put your tool back in the hole. Turn it until it locks into place. And again, reverse thread, so loosen is tighten. I'm going to try and make this thing fairly tight. I don't want to spin it off. Alright, that's it. It's going to look like that when you're done.